Hello Click Designers! Today I'm going to show you another new update that we've added to make organizing your graphics a lot easier. Now you can move your designs by bulk to your ClickDrive folders. Depending on your ClickDesigns account, you may or may not have access to ClickDrive because this is only available through ClickDesigns agency. Now, let's start organizing our designs. The first thing that you need to do is log into your ClickDesigns account. Right after that, click on My Designs. You will see all the designs that you've created right here. Once you hover over a design thumbnail, you will notice this tiny square right here. All you need to do is tick that and select whatever files that you would like to move into a certain ClickDrive folder. Now make sure that you have existing ClickDrive folders created. If not, all you need to do is click on My Drive. Right after that, click Add New and then type in the name of the folders here. Then click on Create. For this example, I've created several different folders and I'm now going back to the My Designs tab. Now I will hover over the designs that I would like to move in certain folders. So for example, I will hover over this design right here and this one and this, and this. All I need to do is tick all those designs that I want to organize and add into one folder. Once done, click this Select Action drop-down arrow, then click on Add to Drive, then click Apply. You will be asked to select which folder you would like to move all the designs to. In my case, I would like to move the designs here under My Designs, then click on Add. Next, I'm going to select other designs that I'm going to add into another different folder. So I would just tick that. And once I'm done ticking, all I need to do is click this drop-down arrow again, click on Add to Drive, click on Apply, and then click on the folder that I would like to add these images to, then click on Add. If you would like to add all your existing designs into one folder on ClickDrive, all you need to do is tick this Check All button right here, and then click on the Select Action drop-down, click on Add to Drive, click Apply, and then select a folder that you would like to add all your designs to. Once done, click on Add and all your designs will be added into that ClickDrive folder. Now here's how it's going to look like. Let's click on My Drive and then let's click on this folder. All the designs that I've selected earlier are now placed here on this ClickDrive folder. I'll click on Back and then I'm going to view this folder right here. Now these are the previous designs that I've also moved into this folder. And that's it. Now you can save time by easily organizing all your designs and moving them into your ClickDrive folders simply by bulk selecting them.